Morning, people. So today I started my shocks project. It doesn't look to be too bad. I got my new wheel chocks down there. Got the shock off. That wasn't too bad. I'm having trouble putting a new shock on because the tractor's not level. So I might have to take that shock off, find a level place, and then try again. But I think once it's level, you know, this is probably 15 minutes per shock. Not bad at all. You know, so here's the shocks themselves. 65490 from Monroe. I think that's a part number there too. What's really interesting is I have this mid-torque impact wrench. Let's see here. It'll do 650 foot-pounds nut busting torques. It works great. Then I have a for my large socket set. This is a 3/4 inch drive with a 1 1/8 inch socket, a 1 1/8 inch wrench, and then my impact gun. Now this thing is pretty freaking awesome. I was really impressed by it. This is brand new. I bought it a couple months ago, but it's the first time I've used it. Pretty awesome. So let me show you here. Do a quick demonstration. Now that's a 1 1/8 inch impact socket. So I loosened it right up. Rust doesn't matter. So we'll have to put a wrench on the other side and tighten that back up. Now I do have a torque wrench, and the torque spec is 165 foot-pounds. So if you wanted to check your torque, that's what the torque spec is. There's my torque wrench right there. Last night I showed you my digital small torque wrench. This is my larger torque wrench. And this is not digital. This is a one-click deal on this. So that's what that is. It's from Gear Wrench. So I got it set up for 165 half-inch drive. So if you wanted to check the torque spec, you know, you just put your socket on there and torque it and it'll click. Now, that's a good check, but I think with the impact driver, 560 foot-pounds, it's going to be more than enough torque on there. In fact, I was trying to get some of these nuts off last night, and I couldn't do it by hand. I had to use the impact driver to do it. So we'll get this back on, but I thought it was a pretty cool project. This is part one. Let's see if I can do the 4 drives today. Maybe save the steers for tomorrow. I kind of want to take today a little easy, but we'll see how things go, how quickly they come off and go back on. You know, you can reuse these bolts from different videos I've seen. Francisco Amaya recommends replacing them, and then some guys put a type of grease on there too. But I think you want to inspect the bolt, and if they're warped or damaged, then you probably want to go ahead and replace them. Alright guys, so I got for you. Back to work. Break's over. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the internet.